So students, now I will start the question number B in this video. So what we have in the B? In the B we have fill in the words of your own to complete the sentence. If you have book, you can see the heading of B. Okay, so in the B we have to do what? We have to fill the sentence with words to complete the sentence. Okay, here we have some incompleted sentence here. So what we have to do? We have to complete them by using words. Okay, which is suitable for here. So here we have first half sentence or incomplete sentence is my name is and the dash. So what you have to do, you have to write down your name here. My name is, जो आपका नाम है वो आपको यहाँ लिखना है. Number 2, I am in dash. तो यहाँ पे we can write for all. Okay, नाम अलग अलग होते इसलिए मैंने नाम को नहीं लिखा, बट क्लास सबका सेम है तो I have written the class here. I am in class 1. Number 3, the name of my school is Aurora International School. Okay, I have why I have write the name of a school here, because you guys all are from the same school, from the same class. That's why I have write the here class and the name of a school, because हाँ नाम different होते हैं इसलिए उसके लिए मैंने सिर्फ blank छोड़ा. आप अपना नाम वहाँ पे खुद से fill कर लेना. Now let's move on to the question number C. Okay, so what we have in the C? In the C we have write person, place, animal or thing next to these words. So in the A we have questions. We got a questions from the chapter 1, which was alphabet. In the second, in the B we got a questions from the chapter 2, which was sentence. And now we have C number, and in this we have questions from chapter 3, which was a naming word. So let's start with the naming word here. So what we have to do, we have to write person, place, animal or thing next to these naming words. So here we have total 4 naming words. Number 1, pencil box, kangaroo. Pencil box. Number 2, kangaroo. Number 3, grandfather and zoo. Grandfather, zoo. Okay, so we have these 4 naming words here, and now we have to write down here which one is person, which one is place and which one is thing. मतलब कि नेमिंग वर्ड्स में हम क्या पढ़ते हैं, किसी भी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल के नेम्स को. तो यहाँ पे हमें बस वही लिखना है. ये जो वर्ड है पेंसिल बॉक्स, ये क्या है? पर्सन है, प्लेस है, एनिमल है और थिंग है. तो वी हैव टू राइट हियर पेंसिल बॉक्स. सो दिस इज थिंग, नेम ऑफ अ थिंग. सो वी हैव टू राइट थिंग हियर. या दिस इज द नेम ऑफ थिंग. नाउ वी हैव कैंगरू. So this is the name of animal. Okay, so I will write here animal. Then we have grandfather. This is the name of a person. And then we have Jew. Jew is the name of a place. Okay, so like this you have to complete the question number C of page number 28. Now we have question number D. So what we have in the D? In the D we have tick the correct options to complete each sentence. So here we have some questions, 3 questions. And what we have to do, we have to tick the correct given options to complete the sentence. Let's see. Here we have the number 1. Okay. In this we have, there is only one x. There is only one x, one x, or slash egg, egg for breakfast. Okay, for breakfast. So this exercise is related to your chapter 4, which was a one and many, I mean singular to plural. And now we have to choose if that the word eggs or egg is here are incorrect or incorrect. Means what is written here, there is only one egg, eggs और egg for breakfast. तो one है, it means अगर हमने वन शो कर दिया है, इट शोइंग दैट वी हैव वन इन अ सिंगुलर फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स दैट शोज दैट वी हैव ओनली वन egg. So we have to take the egg, because you guys already know that whenever we add s to a word or name, s to a naming word, it always converts into a plural form. Okay, जैसे ही किसी naming word में हम क्या करते हैं, s लगाते हैं, वो plural form में बदल जाता है. जैसे कि egg, अंडा, eggs, अंडे. तो जब यहाँ पे कह दे कि देयर इज ओनली वन एग, तो मतलब वहाँ पे एक अंडा है, तो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू चूज दिस. मतलब अंडा भी एक है और एग्स भी बोले, it's not a proper. So there is only one egg for breakfast. Number 2. In the number 2 we have, there are many brush. There are many brush, and the brushes in my new paint box. In my new paint box. So there are many. It जो word है many, one and many. One means एक, many means एक से ज़्यादा. तो here we already have many. It means here we have brushes in plural form. So what we have to use? Brushes. Brushes shows that we have the brush in so many numbers in my new paint box. Number 3. There are 4 windows. There are 4 windows. Window in the room. In the room. So there are 4. 4 is through the 4 we can see that we have windows in more than one. We have windows more than one. यहाँ पे जो खिड़कियों की बात हो रही है वो एक से ज़्यादा लिख दिया साफ कि वहाँ पे 4 खिड़कियाँ. तो विंडो मीन्स हो गया एक खिड़की. जैसे ही एक लगा, एक से ज़्यादा खिड़की. तो what we have to use? We have to use windows. There are 4 windows in the room. वहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा खिड़कियाँ हैं, 4 खिड़कियाँ, मतलब वहाँ पर 4 खिड़कियाँ हैं. हम ये नहीं कहते कि वहाँ पर 4 खिड़की है, नॉट, खिड़कियाँ हैं, बिकॉज इट इज इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म, दैट्स वाई. ओके, सो दिस इज द डी वी हैव फ्रॉम द पेज नंबर 28. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द ई नंबर. Okay, now we have a number. What we have in the e number? So in the e we have fill in the blanks to complete the sentence to the describing words. Okay, so we have describing words from the chapter 5. So what we have to do, we have to fill the blanks to complete the describing words and match them to the words of picture. I will not write this on the board because here we have pictures and I can't draw well. That's why I will show you the book. So look, Fill in the blanks to complete the describing words. Match the describing words to picture. Here we have the first word F. Okay, what we have? F-A-V-E, fave. Okay, fave, blue and the pink. So F-A-V-E. Wait. Okay, so here we have F and V. Okay, in our given letters. So what we have to do? We have to complete this word according to this picture. So first of all, I will match this blue shirt with the word blue. We have B and U already, and I have to just add L and E to complete the blue word. So means blue shirt. So blue is a describing word and the shirt is a naming word here. Now we have pink, P-I-N-K, pink, pink ice cream. Pink is a describing word and the ice cream is a naming word here. Now we have five, F-I-V-E, five flowers. So five flowers shows that there we have total five flowers. Five is the describing word and the flower is the naming word. Okay, so this here we have completed the E number. Now let's move on to the F number. F, we have fill in the blanks choosing the correct pronouns from the help box. So this is the last exercise we have from the page number 28, and in this what we have just studied about it, taught about this what pronoun. In this we have pronoun. Here we have example: he, she, it and they. Now we have to use them. Here we have first sentence, and in this we have dash is my father. Is my father. Number 2 is my aunt. Number 3 is a table. Is a table. They are neighbors. So what we have to use? We have to use according to the given naming words. So dash is my father. The father is a masculine gender here. So what we have to use? He. He is my father. So we have used this. Dash is my aunt. Aunt is from feminine gender. So what we have to use? She. She is my aunt. We always use she for female and he for male. Dash is a table. The table is a non-living thing, and for non-living thing we always use it. It. Are our neighbors. So they are. Last we have they. वो हमारे पड़ोसी हैं. They are our neighbors. That's it. So here we have completed the revision worksheet 1, and I hope you have understood the understood the concept of every chapter from this revision worksheet. I hope you will complete this revision worksheet very neatly, carefully in your book. And that is enough for today's video. Till then, take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.